Students, let's continue with our grade 7 social science chapter 1 Two Big States, page number 4 Life of the People. Information about the reign of King Harsh is available from the writings of Chinese traveler Yun Sing. Towns and villages of the time were fortified and had huge gateways at their entrance. The society was divided into four groups. While the Parda system and the intercaste marriages were not prevalent at that time, the custom of sati, child marriage, and polygamy had started by then. Students, towns and villages were fortified. Fortified means protected from enemies. And there were high walls around the towns and villages, and there were huge gateways to protect the people from enemies. There were four chief classes or divisions, or we can say castes, of society in the period of Harshvardhan. System of hiding face behind parda in front of elders, which we call as parda system, was not prevalent, and the system of intercaste marriage, that means getting married into another caste, were also not in practice in the society. But the system of a wife's burning herself after the death of her husband on his pyre, which was called as sati pratha, the system of child marriage, and system of polygamy. Polygamy means having more than one wife without giving divorce to the first wife or the previous wife, were in usual practice in those days. The local diet consisted of milk and milk products, wheat, rice, fruits, and vegetables. They wore clean, simple white clothes. Men wore dhotis and women wore saris. Their ornaments, that is, rings, bangles, bracelets, necklaces, etc., were made from flowers. Chess and games of dice were popular means of entertainment. Acrobats and conjurers wandered from village to village entertaining people. Students, the staple diet of the people consisted of milk and milk products, wheat, rice, fruits, and vegetables. You can say people were vegetarian at that time. Men used to wear dhoti and women used to wear sari. People put on ordinary ornaments and they used to play games like chess and games of dice. There were acrobats, jugglers, magicians, and snake charmers who used to entertain people going from one village to another. Farming and animal husbandry were the main occupations of the people. Land revenue was one-sixth of the production. Internal and international trade was carried out by the Vaishyas. A highway from Patliputra to Bhrigu Kutch, Bharuch port was built by the state for trade and transportation of goods. So, students, the chief occupation of people were agriculture and animal husbandry. Animal husbandry means rearing and caring of farm animals. The entire trading of state was in hands of Vaishya community. Harshvardhan had built a direct royal highway from Patliputra to Bhrigu presently Bharuch port, for trading and transit of goods, that is commodities. Gold and silver coins were used for commercial transactions. Ornaments, statues, ivory, and carved wooden pieces were exported. The export of different materials from India increased her prosperity. During the reign of King Harsh, India had good business with Rome, which led to the inflow of gold in India. People followed Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism but were tolerant towards other religions. Students, at that time, barter system was going on. That means people used to exchange goods for coins of gold and silver. People had become prosperous because of export trading. Export means sending goods to another country for sale. Plenty of gold found its way from Rome on account of trading. The feeling of religious equality prevailed among people who were following Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism.